my beauties! Remember the nails from the last video? They held up wonderfully and today is time to redo them. We're going for a classic look that exudes elegance and style. This color combination is currently at the peak of fashion, so stay tuned till the end and enjoy the show. We'll start with the standard nail preparation. I've deliberately shown the removal process in this video because some of you were concerned that this amount of material would never dry. However, as you can see, there is no raw material left and there's no indication that the material hasn't dried. So, I confidently declare that my method is 100% effective. After removal, be sure to smooth out the material to ensure an even application. This is crucial. Next, we need to create a clean manicure. The first step is to open up the cuticle area properly, allowing us to work with the electric file and remove anything that might obstruct us. After opening up the cuticle area, I use a 180 grit file to lift the scales, remove most of the pateragium and of course shape the nails. My electric file has a blue bit and I work at 10,000 RPM. I make sure to thoroughly work on all areas to ensure there are no remaining particles. Once I've cleaned up with the file, I use a brush to remove any dust and then I trim the cuticles with scissors or whichever tool is convenient for you. This can be tweezers, clippers, or a spherical file, depending on your preference. For me, my favorite tool is these scissors with a curved tip. They are the most comfortable tool I've ever used. Afterward, we dehydrate the nails and apply preparatory products. Since I'll be doing leveling with liquid polygel, I'll create a base with a flexible gel. The base I use is from Nail Apex and it's the best base I've ever used. It's liquid, which is essential for me, and it holds exceptionally well. I use it everywhere, both as a base and as a standalone material. I apply the base to the nails and cure for half a minute. Let me tell you about the manicure we will be doing today. At first glance, it may seem simple, but it's not. We'll be doing a milky French manicure. When you see the combination of these colors at the end, it will become a favorite among your clients, for sure. After the base has dried, we remove the dispersion layer and start applying the gel. Now, the first key point is that the gel should be milky, not white or ivory. It should be a cold, pure milky gel. But that's not all. The gel should cover the nail. But at the same time, it should go on like a velvety mist, as if it were an autumn fog. That's how you create the effect of an expensive manicure, like choosing the perfect shade of red to match a special dress or lipstick. I hope, ladies, that you understand what I mean. I don't know about you, but personally, it's very important for me to choose the perfect tone and color to ensure everything is at the highest level. If it's important to you too, put any emoji in the comments so I know how many of us share this preference. For the smoothing, we follow the standard technique. First, we apply the gel to the entire nail, then we place a drop near the cuticle and spread it. After that, we cure it in the lamp for 1 minute. Now let's talk about the color that will make you smile. I chose it very carefully. It's not going to be standard white, nor is it pink. This color reminds me of spring when apple trees begin to bloom and the center of the flower has a similar shade. It's very delicate and beautiful. With a brush that has long and thin bristles, I draw the smile line, and with a brush featuring short bristles, I fill in our smile. Just watch the process here. To finish our manicure perfectly, I'll be using Top Coat from Edlen. For those who don't know, I've just started testing this brand, and so far I don't see any drawbacks. It's liquid but applies beautifully, doesn't yellow, and doesn't alter the color of the coating itself. And finally, we complete our procedure by moisturizing the cuticles and protecting them from drying out. I couldn't resist using ordinary oil. I went for the fancy stuff. It's dry oil with shimmer, and it smells like expensive dark chocolate. What could be better? So here's our manicure in all its glory. Just look at the combination of colors. It's unbelievably delicate, feminine, and glamorous. This is the kind of combination preferred by accomplished and self-sufficient women who appreciate every detail. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share your thoughts in the comments because it's very important to me, and of course subscribe to the channel so you don't lose track of me. It's been Anna with you, and see you soon, beauties. Bye bye.